Teams Chat. How to communicate effectively. Microsoft Teams has become a popular collaboration tool for businesses and organizations worldwide. One of its core features, Teams Chat, enables fast and efficient communication. However, like any communication platform, how you use it can determine your productivity and success. This article explores how to communicate effectively in Teams Chat by focusing on best practices, tips, and communication strategies to get the most out of this powerful tool. 1. Understand Teams Chat basics before diving into effective communication. It's essential to understand the basics of Teams Chat. One-to-one chats for private conversations with a single person, group chats for collaborating with multiple people on specific topics, channel conversations for open discussions within a specific Microsoft Teams channel. Key features to know. At mentions, tag specific people to get their attention. GIFs and emojis. Add a personal touch to messages, but use them sparingly in professional settings. File sharing. Share documents, images, and other files directly in chat. Message formatting. Use bold, italics, bullet points, and headers to make your messages clear and organized. 2. Clarity and brevity are key. Effective communication in Teams Chat requires clear and concise messages. Avoid long, complicated messages that might confuse recipients. Best practices: be direct, state your purpose or question at the beginning of your message, break down complex ideas, use bullet points or numbered lists. Avoid jargon. Keep your language simple and easy to understand, especially when communicating with cross-functional teams. Example: Hi, I need some help with the report. It's not urgent, but I want to finalize it soon. Can you check it and let me know what you think? Hi, can you review the attached report and share your feedback by EOD tomorrow? 3. Use It Mentions thoughtfully. The It Mention feature helps you target specific people in your organization. However, overusing it can be distracting. When to use It Mentions: to get someone's immediate attention. When you need input from a specific person. To notify an entire group or team, e.g., add team. Avoid using It Mentions for every message, tagging entire teams unless necessary. 4. Respond promptly but thoughtfully. Timely responses keep communication flowing and projects on track. However, avoid rushing your response just for speed. Take time to provide a thoughtful reply. Tips: set notifications. Customize notifications to avoid missing important messages. Acknowledge quickly. Even a quick got it or emoji can show you've seen a message. Use chat status wisely. Update your availability status: available, busy, do not disturb to let others know when you're reachable. 5. Leverage message formatting. Using message formatting makes your chats more readable and easier to understand. Formatting tips: bold key points. Use headings for longer messages. Apply bullet points or numbering for lists. Example: steps for submitting the report. Complete the draft. Submit it for review. Incorporate feedback. Finalize and send to the client. 6. Know when to switch to a call or meeting. Not all conversations are suited for chat. If a discussion is becoming lengthy or complex, it might be better to switch to a voice or video call. When to switch: if there are multiple back and forth messages without resolution. When discussing sensitive topics, for brainstorming or collaborative tasks, use the Meet Now feature to start an instant meeting directly from chat. 7. Maintain professionalism. Teams Chat is a professional tool, so always maintain a level of professionalism in your communication. Tips for professional chat etiquette: avoid abbreviations and slang. Use full sentences and proper grammar. Be respectful. Always be polite and considerate. Keep chats work-related. Save personal conversations for private channels or outside work tools. 8. Use files and collaboration features. One of the best parts of Teams Chat is its integration with other Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, OneNote, and SharePoint. How to collaborate effectively: share files directly in chat for easy access. Use co-authoring to edit documents in real time with your team. Refer to OneNote for shared meeting notes and action items. 9. Secure your communication. Security is vital when communicating in Teams chat. Protect your organization's data by following security best practices. Tips for secure communication: avoid sharing sensitive information. Use secure methods for confidential data. Use MFA multi-factor authentication for added security. Follow company policies. Adhere to your organization's guidelines for online communication. Conclusion: Microsoft Teams Chat is a powerful tool for modern communication, but its effectiveness depends on how you use it. By being clear, concise, and respectful, while leveraging the platform's features, you can ensure productive and meaningful conversations. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or managing projects, effective communication in Teams Chat can enhance your workflow and help you achieve your goals.